Do you have a broken vinyl fence post that needs to be replaced or patched? Well, you clicked on the right video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to take your vinyl fence post that looks like this to this. And I'll show you all the tricks along the way. Let's get started.
I grabbed some big gap foam filler and began to fill the broken crack at the bottom of the post. I waited 24 hours to let the foam harden. Then using 80 grit sandpaper, I knocked off all the high spots on the post. The foam will expand and harden, filling up all the cracks in the process, which will allow you to use less Bondo paste for the repair. I chose to go with Bondo's quick dry formula over the standard Bondo so I could sand and prep multiple coats all in one day. The key when combining the hardener is to use less than what you think. If you use too much paste, it will begin to harden too fast and you'll have to throw it out and try again. Once the paste is mixed well, you can begin to apply it generously to the crack. Make sure to only apply the paste in the controlled area. If not, you'll spend a lot of time sanding the parts that didn't need to be fixed. After a couple more passes with the spreading tool, I waited about 15 minutes before coming back to apply a second coat. The area should be safe to touch and should not leave any residue on your hands. At this point, you can sand the area and apply a second coat to the post, filling in all the low spots you couldn't get the first time around. For this batch of Bondo, I used too much hardening cream and wasted the rest of the paste. Again, waited for another 15 minutes and now it's time to sand all the high spots, making the post nice and even. Once I was happy with the result, I used a high gloss white spray paint to match the fence post. I started 12 to 15 inches back and lightly began to spray the first coat of paint. After 5 or 6 more passes, I slowly began to make my way closer to the post, and this is the final result. Looks great, and the best part is you can't tell that it was repaired.
All right, guys, that's how you fix a vinyl fence post. Again, all in materials, maybe $50. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friend, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.